Hello family, in today's video we are going to discuss about 8 ways to restore balance in your life. Number 1. Take a 60-minute holy hour at the beginning of each day and nourish your mind, body, emotions and spirit. Number 2. Spend some time in nature on a weekly basis. Number 3. Write love letters to those who need to be appreciated. Number 4. Experience silence, solitude and stillness for at least 10 minutes each day. Number 5. Do the things that made you happy as a kid. Number 6. Get serious about exercise because nothing is more important than your health. Number 7. Write in a journal to promote clarity of thoughts and deepen your insight. Number 8. Find a cause larger than yourself and give back to others. Thank you so much.